I'm just about to reveal an amazing strategy which I did use to earn some cool cash right here with CPA marketing, and I'm gonna walk you through this step. I'm gonna show you how to promote this offer right here or your CPA marketing offers. I'm also gonna show you what kind of offers and what you actually need to write once you want to promote such offers. So make sure you do stick onto this video, make sure you do watch to the end and learn this exact same strategy because this is gonna be an amazing one right here. So with that being said, let's just simply cut right to the chase. So first of all guys, you want to just simply head onto a CPA marketing platform. I'm going to use the Cpagrip right here to go on to getting CPA marketing offers which I want to promote. I'm just going to go on to clicking on register. If you don't have an account, it's quite easy. You'll be shown a simple form right there where you just simply have to go on to filling out that form. Once you do fill out that form successfully, your account should be created right there and you can then log into your account. And right here you could see that you could actually go on to checking out this public chat where you can actually see some details right here. You could see the amount which some people are actually earning on this platform right here. This person actually has earned $164,000 on this platform. This person right here has actually earned a lot more right here. You can see this person has earned $1,000 right here on this platform, and you could just simply keep on scrolling through and you'll be able to see the respective amount which some people have actually been earning on this platform called Cpagrip. And guys, you want to just simply take advantage of Cpagrip content blocking capabilities. Simply click on monetization tools right here. If you do click on monetization tools, click on URL file lockers, then you can then just simply go on to creating a locker. And you want to just simply click on create new locker. You could read through some terms of services, click on agree to terms of services and click on continue. But guys, in creating a content locker, you want to make sure you do put out something that is valuable to your audience, that your audience can actually do go on to doing virtually anything to gain access to. So you want to just simply put in something valuable to them right there, and you can just simply go on to getting an article, an ebook or a content right there which you want to just simply use. What I'm going to be using today right here is I'm going to be using ChatGPT to actually help me generate an article. So I could just simply come onto ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, hey please write me an article about deep web. And right now guys, ChatGPT is going to come up with an amazing article. So once ChatGPT does that right here, you just want to go on, just simply go onto Google and search for the Google site. So if I do search for the Google site right here, you can see this first website which is the site of google.com. Just simply go on to clicking on that and it's actually going to take you to this page right here. If you actually do have a Google account, it is quite free. You can just simply gain access to this particular page for free. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go on to clicking on this blank section. Once I do click on the blank section, I can actually do go on to editing or creating a landing page. So guys, as you can see, I'm brought to this page right here. What I want to do right now is that I want to just simply go onto Google and search for the deep web so that I can actually do get some cool images right here about the dark web or the deep web. So guys, once you do go on to selecting a cool image for your landing page, you just want to head back to your landing page side and actually insert that image like I did right here. To insert that image, just simply come right here, click on this icon and just simply go on to clicking on upload and you'll be able to insert that image in this section. So what you want to do right now is to just simply go on to add in a text box. You want to head on to ChatGPT, and for ChatGPT right now, you just want to copy that particular text which ChatGPT actually went on to generating for you. And right now guys, I just simply went on to copying this text right here. I'm going to head back to my landing page site and do go on to pasting that right now. So you can see that has actually been pasted right here. What I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to go on to increasing the font size to something such as 14. This is actually quite bigger. And once that has actually been inserted right here, I'm just going to come right here to this section and you just want to leave a space right here. Then head on to Google and you want to just simply search for how to access the web. And you'll be able to see a lot of articles right here on that. You just want to just simply go on to select a full article. And this is an example of that right here. This is a very cool guide which can actually help you access the dark or deep web. And right now guys, you just want to copy the link to this particular article right here. Head onto your landing page right here which we're actually creating, or your content locker right here, and do go on to locking that in your content locker. So once you lock that into your content locker and edit all the settings, just simply go on to clicking on save. And your content locker has actually been created. Click on get link, and once you do click on get link, copy the link to your content locker. Once you copy that, you want to just simply head back to your landing page and you just want to type in a text such as this which says, to learn more about deep web, or accessing deep web right here. Once you click on or type something like that, click on insert link. Then you want to just simply go on to pasting that particular link to your content locker right here. If I do pasting that link right here, click on apply, you can see the link has actually been inserted. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to write in something like this. So once I put in something like this, as you can see, it actually looks quite better right now. I could just simply go on to changing the font right here, the font color to something like blue, to actually indicate better that this is actually a link. So once somebody actually clicks on that section, it's automatically going to take them to this article right here, but our content locker actually comes in between. You just simply have to complete a simple offer before they can gain access to this article, which will help them further. So once you do that right now, guys, you want to head on to Google, and while on Google, just simply search for how to access the deep web Quora, and you'll be able to see a lot of information right here, a lot of questions on Quora on how to actually enter the deep web. If you do click on one, you can see this question right here which says, how do I enter the dark web? And if I do copy this question, head on to ChatGPT and actually do paste that question right in here and click on enter, ChatGPT will actually go on to generating a response for me. And you can see right here, ChatGPT has actually generated a response. All you have to do is to copy this response, head on to Quora, and actually do go on to chipping in that particular reply right there. You want to just simply reply this particular question, then go on to chipping in your content locker right there, telling them that they should just simply go on to checking out this article right here or this landing page on this particular topic. But before you do that, simply go on to publishing your landing page. And if you do publish your landing page, you can actually go on to selecting a domain, and you'll be able to get a link right now to your landing page right here. Once you do publish your landing page, you can get a link and then go on to maybe chipping it in your answers or replies right here. And if you do that, guys, you should be able to drive traffic to this particular website right here. But your landing page is actually going to come in between, or your CPA content locker, and they do actually have to complete an offer for them to gain access to that. So once you do that, guys, you can also promote your offers on this particular platform called Pinterest. So to do that, guys, you want to just simply head on to this platform right here which is called Canva, and you want to just simply go on to searching for the Pinterest pin. If I do come right here and search for the Pinterest pin and I do click on enter, I will be able to see a lot of pin templates right here which you can actually do go on to editing and actually create a cool and amazing pin for your Pinterest. Then you can then just simply go on to promoting that on this particular platform, and in doing so, guys, you'll be able to drive lots and lots of traffic to your CPA content locker and start making cool cash doing so. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this video do actually help you. If yes, simply go on to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.